Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. What you're looking at, of course, is two Marx motors. They are both double reduction. This one's set up for 999. This one, of course, is set up for a standard plastic shell or 898, whatever. Anyway, this one has the light adapter on it, as you see. This motor did not have a headlight. This is the factory headlight, as you see. So, they look almost identical. Anyway, I'm going to run them at the same time just so we can see what they actually look like. So, as you see, they are virtually identical. The one in the front did not have a headlight an hour ago. So, as you see, that light adapter works. No doubt about that. It actually works really, really well. It doesn't add much thickness because it's a really, really thin piece of sheet metal. I'll be making these out of brass, very likely. But as you see, that works. There's no doubt about that. So, an instant way to add a light bulb to a Marx motor that does not have one. It's really straightforward, really simple. It only takes a minute. You have to solder one wire. Anyway, just want to do a quick comparison. That's the adapter. There's the factory socket. So you see they are almost identical. So it doesn't add any bulk to the motor. It'll still fit in any shell. And of course, it gives you an instant headlight. So, in any case, just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.